Keeping conversations organized can get a little tricky sometimes. Slack can be a smarter alternative to emails. You can make team sharing easier by integrating your Slack account to WP Fluent Forms. Start by enabling the Slack module from the Fluent Forms Pro modules list. Select the form you want to integrate Slack with. Go to Settings and Integrations. Select Slack from the sidebar. Toggle on Integrate Slack. Fill in your webhook URL. If you do not have a webhook configured, go to your Slack channel and create an app. To create an app, click on the plus button besides Apps. Click on the Build button followed by Start Building. Name your app and define the Development Slack workspace using the drop-down menu. Go to Add Features and Functionalities and choose Incoming Webhooks. Toggle on Activate Incoming Webhooks and click on Add New Webhook. Define the channel where your form's JSON payload will be posted. Authorize it. Copy the webhook URL. Paste it on the WP Fluent Forms webhook URL input field. Save your settings and preview before launching. Tell us about your experience in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that bell icon.